Hey folks, it's 1881MF here on the LifeBuZZN channel. Got little Debbie behind the wheel up there, and I think we have starter troubles. This is my 87 F150 pickup truck. It's got the 306 cylinder in it, and I think I got a bad starter. Go ahead, baby, let's see what it sounds like. Hear that? That's a bad starter. Okay, so I hope you can see this, but this right here is the starter. Go ahead and do it again, babe. Hear that? That's pretty awful. So, first thing we're going to do is disconnect our battery up under the hood, and then we're going to take this guy off. We're going to remove this screw, and then another one back here in the back there. So I went to my favorite parts store that I frequent all the time because I maintain my own vehicles, and asked for a starter, and they got me a starter, an $81 starter. And when I opened it, notice it is highly recommended to replace the solenoid when installing this unit. Did anybody at that parts store tell me that? No. I'm gonna rip my truck apart, take the old starter out, put this new one in, and not have the solenoid, so I'm gonna have to go back. Anyways, moving on. 2 screws, bolts, that we're going to take out of the starter down there. And if you kind of look at it like this thing's oriented in the car like that. There's a bolt right there, 1/2 inch. There's a bolt right there, 1/2 inch. Look down here then. Front of the passenger side, all the way down. All the way down to right here. This is the starter right here.
Holy cow.
Got the camera on that? Mm-hmm. So now if you notice, this is the hump on the starter. 1 bolt right here, 1/2 inch, and 1 on the other side. So that's the first things we're going to undo.
It's dirty.
Did it hit your camera, girl?
You did, buddy.
So I'm going to undo this lower one now. Now, this thing should come out. You got the video in it? See if I can get this out past it. No, it's the solenoid there.
There's stuff dripping. Woo, no!
Crap. I need another hand. Okay, so this is the starter. I'm going to unplug these pieces up here now. If you can see these, but I'm going to disconnect those and pull the starter out. You come on out, babe, so I don't drip this stuff on you, okay? 1881 MF.
Holy cow. Get off. Ah!
And there we go. Okay, moving on. So that's the old one, and this is the new one. So pretty simply, as you can see, we took off.
Get out of the shadow. Stand over there.
So sorry. This is the bolt we just took off when it fell and almost crushed Debbie.
Oh my gosh.
And this is the one that we're going to replace right here. Same thing. See? Replace that one, replace that one. So, anyways, under the truck. This thing is heavy. I'm doing it upside down.
Okay. You're almost lined up right there. Whoa. There.
Now I'll put this first bolt in here. Okay, so you can see I've got that starter in there. I got the bottom bolt on that's connected with the one electrical cable, and I hand tightened it quite a ways, 3/4 of the way. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to put this bolt right here on, and then we're going to come back here to this bolt and connect that other electrical cable, and then we're going to be done, people. So as you can see, I've replaced that top bolt and the other one there hooked to the electrical cord. So basically 3 bolts I took off, replaced the $81 part, 3 bolts reconnected, and then we're going to hook the battery back up. All right, now we're going to go test her out. Little Debbie's going to give her a run, huh? All right, let's see what she does.
Keys.
I don't have them. We don't have no keys.
I think they're on the dryer. Thank you.
So, there you go, folks. 1881 MF, Little Debbie does. 2 wrenches, 3 bolts, a starter without the solenoid, and we just probably saved a couple $300-400 on this old truck and got her running. So, again, you can do it. Just try, make a little effort, watch my videos, watch other people's videos, read manuals if you can read, and try it. You ain't gonna mess it up too bad. It's an 87 F150, so out.